Today we are going to demonstrate how to make a simple poke sauce. Poke is a raw fish salad usually served as an appetizer originating in Hawaii. This dish was born when fishermen would season the cutoffs from their fish. Traditional poke seasonings have been heavily influenced by Japanese and other Asian cultures. These include soy sauce, green onions, and sesame oil. Other variations of poke may include octopus, types of raw tuna or shellfish. The possibilities for variation are endless. As well as with the sauce, there are many variations. Today, we're using a simple chili sesame oil and soy sauce mixture for our poke sauce. Our ingredients today to make poke sauce are 2 teaspoons of chili sesame oil, or 10 milliliters, and 60 milliliters of soy sauce, or 4 tablespoons. Now all we're going to do is combine these 2 ingredients into a sauce bottle. So we'll just move our soy sauce and our chili sesame oil to a bottle. And here we have our simple poke sauce.